Move on now. We've got more breaking news coming in, this time from Mumbai, because there has been a cave-in right outside the iconic Siddhivinayak temple of Mumbai. Part of the Prabhadevi road has caved in after heavy rainfall. The depth of this cave-in crater has been measured to be 15 to 20 feet, and a four-wheeler has been stuck in this pothole, and it has now been taken out, as you can see on your screens at this point. Let me go across to my colleague Abhishek, who is live from us at this point. Abhishek, this is quite embarrassing indeed for the BMC, given the fact that it has happened at such a high-profile location. What is the latest details you can give us, Abhishek?
Yeah, definitely, I'd like to show you the latest visual. It is not only, a pothole, it's a huge road cave-in. I'll tell my cameraman to show you. This is the condition of the road in the city of Mumbai, right beside Siddhivinayak temple. And you can imagine this condition. BMC officials are at the spot. They are investigating it, that what was the cause of this road cave-in. You can clearly see how deep it is. And it is not a pothole. Somehow that car could be managed to taken out, but this is the condition of the road. And definitely, after this visual, anybody will ask the question to the BMC that what is going on? Thousands of crores being spent on road concretization, and at the same time, this huge road cave-in. And more importantly, one of the prominent temples, that is Siddhivinayak. I'll tell my cameraman to show you, over there. This is the main junction. And you can see traffic coming from all locations. And right there is the Siddhivinayak temple. And more importantly, Ganesh festivities going on. Idol immersions are taking place, visarjans are taking place. In such situation, if this kind of a road cave-in has been witnessed, it will take some art, or maybe, I don't know how they plan to do it. Quickly fill it as soon as possible, but definitely it is causing disturbance and to the Mumbaikas. And also we have leaders arriving from the opposition party, and let's try and understand with them that such kind of a situation in the city like Mumbai, क्या कहेंगे? ऐसा करोड़ों स्पेंड किए जा रहे हैं बीएमसी द्वारा, लेकिन इस तरीके की घटना हमें देखने मिल रही है.
इट इज अ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट. आप देखिए कि बीएमसी के ऊपर जिम्मेदारी है मुंबई की ज्यादातर सड़कों को बनाने की, व्यवस्था देखनी, और बनने के बाद उन सड़कों की मरम्मत देख रेख करने की जिम्मेदारी बीएमसी के पास है. यहाँ पर जो घटना घटी है, आप देख सकते हैं कि एक छोटा हाथी भी इसमें समा सकता है. पूरी की पूरी कार भी इसके अंदर एक प्रकार से जाके खत्म हो सकती है. कोई इंसान भी इसमें गिर सकता है. ये मामूली खड्डा नहीं है, ये बहुत बड़ा एक जैसे सुरंग जैसा दिख रहा है. और जब ये बन रहा होगा तो ठेकेदार के ऊपर बीएमसी के अधिकारी, छोटे बड़े कमिश्नर तक की एक मॉनिटरिंग होती है कि भैया करोड़ों रुपए के मुंबई करके टैक्स के पैसे से जब कोई सड़क बनती है तो उस पर एक मॉनिटरिंग, एक देख रेख करने के लिए बीएमसी के अधिकारी होते हैं. लेकिन आप देख सकते हैं, न अधिकारियों का पता है, न ठेकेदारों का पता है. जस्ट बगल में एक चोपड़ा नाम का कोई बिल्डर है, इसने बहुत बड़ा टावर बनाया है. स्थानीय लोग बता रहे हैं कि एक पाइप की लाइन इसके अंदर से जा रही है, जो बिल्डिंग को कनेक्ट हो रही है, उसके पाइप लाइन की वजह से यहाँ पर एक प्रकार से भ्रष्टाचार या एक लापरवाही कह सकते हैं, उदासीनता कह सकते हैं, आप देख रहे हैं. लेकिन ये केवल एक नहीं है. ठीक सामने आप अपने कैमरामैन को दिखाना, सामने के रोड पे भी वही स्थिति है. 2, 4, 6 महीने में अगर बहुत तगड़ी बरसात होगी तो ऐसी स्थिति उस तरफ भी होगी. मतलब ये केवल प्रभा देवी का हाल नहीं है, ये मुंबई के अलग अलग ठिकानों में बीएमसी के अधिकारी और ठेकेदारों की मिली भगत, उनके मिलकर भ्रष्टाचार करने के बाद ये सब कुछ यहाँ आया है. ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है. और सबसे बड़ी बात, गणपति बप्पा मोरिया का भी विसर्जन नहीं हुआ है. अब इसी रास्तों से सिद्धिविनायक मंदिर यहाँ से 10 मीटर की दूरी पर है. अब आप बताइए, क्या हम अपने मुंबई की तस्वीर दुनिया के सामने क्या देना चाहते हैं? एक तरफ हम बात कर रहे हैं कि हम संघाई बनाना चाहते हैं, हम पूरी दुनिया के बहुत बड़ा.
I just wanted to understand what has really led to this crater. While I understand the politicians are quite keen to try and make an issue out of it, Abhishek, if you could just focus the camera back at the crater, because the current visual is quite dramatic at this point. What has really led to it? Has the rainfalls in Mumbai been that dramatic, which has led to this cave-in?
Definitely, a season of Ganesh festivity is going on. I'll tell my cameraman to show you again, because you know the earlier visual which we could get from the mobile shots were very limited, and that could show us the pothole kind of a thing. But you know, this is a major road cave-in, and definitely, as far as the BMC sources are concerned, it has been investigated as to how this massive road cave-in could take place at an important junction, and this is how important you can understand traffic from all the four directions is coming to this junction, and it is leading to one of the iconic and famous Siddhivinayak temple. And definitely rains are a major concern, no doubt that can be one of the reasons, but you know, we'll have to understand the material that has been used, because there are several claims by the BMC that they're using best of the material for road concretization work, and they're also claiming that, you know, thousands of crores of rupees have been spent on road concretization, which is currently going on, and it is also as per Chief Minister Eknath Shinde's instruction that Mumbai should be made pothole free. But this situation really makes us ask question to the BMC that, you know, what is going on and how will they tackle such issues, and will it again be blamed on the contractor? Definitely, question will be raised, who was the contractor who made this road, and at the same time, we will have to also understand that what kind of material was used. Definitely, everything is a part of investigation, but looking into the Ganesh festivity, idol immersion, Visarjan that are taking place, this needs to be quickly, rebuilt, but definitely it will take much of its time. And looking at the road connectivity over here, you can see this big, huge buses, taxis, tempos and trains, and it is an important road in the city of Mumbai, South Mumbai basically. And next there is the Siddhivinayak temple. This should be quickly rebuilt so that it will not cause more inconvenience to the Mumbaikars. But definitely we will continue to raise the question that why it happened, what led it to happen, and what the initial visuals that came to us of a small pothole that could emerge into a massive cave-in, and what the opposition leader was pointing it out. It is not only here. There are several other small cave-ins in the road that can be visible on the other side also, and that could also lead to a massive cave-in like this. So definitely, supervision should be done. A review of roads by the BMC is very much necessary to avoid such kind of a condition that we are witnessing here right at a junction in Prabhadevi, a very posh area in South Mumbai, and this needs to be quickly rebuilt in war footing level. That is what we expect, so that it doesn't cause inconvenience to Mumbaikars, and also at a time of Ganpati Visarjan, idol immersion, these roads get jam-packed. So, you know, taking those two things into consideration, BMC should do rebuild it at a war footing level. Back to you.
Abhishek, we'll keep coming back to you. You're absolutely right. It is a triple-engined Sarkar right now in Mumbai, with the BMC, the Maharashtra, and of course the central government coming from the same party. There is no excuse. And once again, the picture which you're showing on the screen right now is what came in earlier. What Abhishek is showing in his unit is what the extent of it. It's no longer a pothole. It's a crater. There's no other way to point it out. Abhishek, thanks a lot for joining us.